One day, after getting intoxicated, they engage in an evening ultra-violence which includes beating a vagrant in a street and a fight with a rival. They trick Mr. Alexander and his wife into letting them go inside the house. They beat Alexander to the point of crippling him, and Alex violently rapes Alexander's wife while singing. Later invades the home of a wealthy cat lady and bludgeons her with a phallic sculpture while his drugs remain outside. On hearing a sirens, Alex tries to flee, but Dim smashes a bottle in his face, stunning Alex and leaving him to be arrested. Adulthood brings word that the woman has died of her injuries, and Alex is convicted of murder and sentenced to 14 years in prison. 2 years into the sentence, Alex eagerly takes up an offer to be a test subject of the Minister of the Interior's new Ludovico technique, an experimental aversion therapy for rehabilitating criminals within 2 weeks. Alex is strapped to a chair, his eyes are clamped open, and he is injected with drugs. He is then forced to watch films of sex and violence, some of which are accompanied by the music of his favorite composer, Ludwig van Beethoven. Alex becomes nauseated by the films and fearing the technique will make him sick upon hearing Beethoven begs for an end to that treatment. 2 weeks later, the minister demonstrates Alex's rehabilitation to a gathering of officials. Alex is unable to fight back against an actor who taunts and attacks him and becomes ill upon seeing a topless woman. The prison chaplain complains that Alex has been robbed of his free will. Alex is released from prison, only to find that the police have sold his possessions to provide compensation to his victims and his parents have let out his room. Alex encounters an elderly vagrant whom he attacked year earlier, and the vagrant and his friends attack him. Alex is saved by the 2 policemen but is shocked to find they are his former dogs. Dim and George They drive him to the countryside, beat him, and nearly drown him before abandoning him. Alex barely makes it to the doorstep of a nearby home before collapsing. Alex wakes up to find himself in the home of Mr. Alexander, who is now disabled. Alexander does not recognize Alex from the previous attack but knows of him and the Ludovico technique from the newspaper. He sees Alex as a political weapon and prepares to present him to his colleagues. Alexander drags Alex and locks him in an upstairs bedroom. Unable to withstand the sickening pain, Alex attempts suicide by jumping out of the window. Alex survives the attempt and wakes up in hospital with multiple injuries. While being given a series of psychological tests, he finds that he no longer has aversions to violence and sex. The minister arrives and apologizes to Alex. He informs Alex that the government has had Mr. Alexander institutionalized. He offers to Alex and get him a job in return of his cooperation with his election campaign and public relations counteroffensive. Alex then contemplates violence and has vivid thoughts of having sex with a woman in front of an approving crowd, thinking to himself, "I was cured."